how to fix corrupted files on Android phone. If you have some type of file that is corrupted and it is not opening up by default on your Android phone, what we will do is we'll simply go to our Play Store and we'll just type in fix corrupted files over here. So when I do that, there'll be plenty of applications over here. I'll just choose one at the very top. This is not sponsored by the app or anything, but I'm just choosing a random one for now, which is usually at the top and has a quite a sensitive rating as well. So let me just wait until this application has finished downloading itself. So once the file has downloaded, I can simply open it up, allow this application to scan any file, so it will automatically detect those recoverable files if it has any type of issue, or if not, you can tap on select option here to select that file manually and it will be able to fix it for you. This way you can fix corrupted files on an Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.